Hi guys, nagandahan ba kayo dun sa background music? Well, ako hindi, joke. Kasi today ang gagawin natin at ang hinahanap-hanap ko ay potato cheese balls! Simulan na natin! Hi guys, this is Jesse Quetz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. So first, you will need 3 potatoes, guys, and boil it just like this. And the rest, just keep on watching. Two minutes later. Oops, parang ang tagal kong bumalik dito guys ha. Okay, ayun na. Well, the things that you'll be needing is sugar, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon. Okay, 2 teaspoon of sugar. Para maano lang, hindi mabalance lang yung taste. Then, mix it with the smashed potatoes. Yan, diba? Actually, yung ginagamit ko dito, hindi yan pang smash ng potatoes. Yan lang kasi ang nahanap ko. You can use fork if you want to. Tapos, meron parang, what you call that? Parang, yung spatula ba tawag to na flat? Something like that. Anyways, you find it in the market. Pag hindi mo mahanap, tinidor na lang or kahit ano pang smash. Ganyan. Tapos guys, kailangan nyo rin ng cheese. Yan. Cube na cheese. Breadcrumbs. Kailangan nyo yan. And also, an egg. 1 piece of egg or 2. It will do. Depende kung ilan ang magagawa nyo dito sa mashed potato nyo. Simulan na natin. deep fry to, guys, and you have to keep on like rolling, rolling on the cooking oil. You think it's golden brown and cook, then what do you call it? Ahu in na. Ating ang ating breakfast merienda. Kain tayo. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I miss you, munchkins. Always be a blessing to others. And we just hope and pray that this pandemic will end very soon. Don't forget to pray.
One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.